Now tell me about your ride. Nice car. Wait, don't like stock highlights? No problem, I change for you. How about these RA style LED projectors? Try them on. There, your ride will never look the same with these on it. So who am I? Well, I'm not just one person. I'm a corporation that thrives for the best service in the auto parts industry. But if you need a name to Google me, you can type this.
You're now viewing the installation video for 2007 and up Chevy Avalanche LED taillight. First thing you want to do is lay down the tailgate. You want to remove 2 Phillips head screws as you see in this video clip. Gently slide out the taillight from its stock location. On the back of your taillight assembly, go ahead and unplug the taillight sockets. From your taillight harness, remove the brake light bulb. Plug in your new LED taillight into the original location of your brake light bulb, and then secure the rest of the sockets in the new taillight. Now you can tighten the 2 Phillips head screws. Close your tailgate and make sure that these taillights are working properly. Thank you for choosing SPECDTUNING videos to assist you. Please visit SPECDTUNING.com for more products.